Hello guys, so welcome back to another video, and I develop applications that can help you in your day-to-day activities. It can be individual tasks, financial tasks, business tasks, and so on. So I have added a new application to the collection. As you can see here, you have the finance tracker, the Moshe invoice for generating invoices, Moshe date for managing your dates and payments, price list for generating a price list for your business. We have quotation. Now this is the new app that I have added, and I'm going to show you how you can install it and use it. So of course you just download it, and you download this executable. Since I've already downloaded it and installed it in my machine, I'm just going to show you how it works. So when you open this app, you're just going to have these three tabs, and the first tab you're going to add your details, that is your business or school details, because this app can be used by anyone. And then finally the postal, because it's the code, and then you're going to upload your logo, and I'm going to just use this logo. And then after uploading, you're going to save. So anytime you open this app, these details are going to be saved. And then from there, I'm going to move back to this section of the quotation, and maybe I can use a very simple example. Let's say I'm going to create a quotation for a school whereby they have requested for books. So I can just say maybe, let me just call it maybe Msingi High School. Then maybe I can say a box of cotton, Voy, code say 8308, and plus the phone number. Then we're going to add the items. Now in this case, maybe the first one is going to be, let's say, chemistry form 1. Maybe we need 10 books, each 500. Then maybe chemistry form 2. Say we need like 15 books. And then maybe we come to business studies form 3. Let's say that's around 400. Maybe form 4. Maybe I can add more books, let's say like maths form 1, maybe 10. Maybe maths form 2, let's say like 20. And as we keep on adding, let's just keep on adding, calculating the total. Maybe physics form 2, and I can submit that. So you can see down here, I'm going to get the list of items and so on. Of course, you can edit and you can delete them. So after generating all this, I'm just going to click on generate quotation. Then I'm going to go where the app is installed. It's currently in softwares. Then I'm going to look for Moshe quotations. Then I'm going to open this. So you can see it's going to generate a very good quotation, giving the quotation number and the list of items plus the total amount. Because when you generate another one, it's going to be quotation number 2, and so on. So you can download this app, because you can sign and the name, the details, the date of the day the quotation has been generated. So guys, this is the app. You can download it and it's for free. And if you need such custom applications, as you can see, this one is local. It's using an SQLite database. Let me just show you. It's using SQL. This is the database, and it's a desktop application. Of course, you can download it for free and use it. So see you guys.